Good morning and welcome back to Morning Markets from True Potential. Paul Durrance, Investment Director. If we start by thinking about what we've discussed this week, we've looked at UK inflation, which came in at 6.2%. We also discussed on Thursday the spring budget statement from Rishi Sunak. And so it's been very much talking about the UK economy. We continue with that theme this morning, looking at the UK PMI readings. This is a very important and very timely monthly survey data that looks at UK businesses within manufacturing and on the service side as well. Important because you can look at the details, look at how employment's trending, looking at how prices are impacting businesses in terms of new orders, both domestically and internationally, and also it gives you a sense of what businesses' expectations are for the future. We start by looking at the manufacturing side, where we saw some softness in the latest reading, and that was on the back of slightly weaker orders. And that was primarily focused within the UK, but international orders were still very strong and actually increasing, which is a good sign for overall global growth. What was positive was that you saw some easing in some of the supply chains, which has been a problem for inflation. So if that trend continues, we would expect inflation to come down in the coming months. On the services side, much more important for the UK, 80% of UK's GDP comes from services. We saw the service reading actually increase, now back to its level what it was last year, June last year, after the lockdown, and we saw a huge surge in activity. What we saw on the services from being very healthy was that businesses are confident about future prospects and new orders, and that's meaning that they are looking to hire more labour, and that in turn is helping them to reduce their backlogs, improve their supply chains, and again should help facilitate improvements in inflation looking forward. Not surprisingly, there are some concerns around inflation and whether that will destroy some demand, and also, unsurprisingly, the unfortunate situation within Ukraine and regarding Russian sanctions is weighing on business sentiment, but overall a very positive reading for UK services and for the UK economy on a whole. We saw similar readings for across Europe and within the US, where we saw these business surveys data coming in ahead of expectations, which is a real positive for global economic growth. In terms of markets, yesterday we saw very strong readings from US stock markets, up over 1%, with the Nasdaq leading the way, with technology stocks such as Tesla and Facebook outperforming. We also saw good reading from the UK stocks, again up over the course of the day. That's everything from us. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you on Monday.
Subscribing to the True Potential YouTube channel is quick and easy. Simply go to the channel on your desktop or through the YouTube app on your phone and click the subscribe button. You can then press the notification bell symbol if you wish to be notified as and when new videos are released. Doing this is a great way to keep yourself updated with market developments and personal finance insights. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed, and we look forward to continuing to help you do more with your money.